Hey guys, Sid the KidTuber here. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Windows 10 Video Editor. Windows 10 Video Editor is a free and easy to use video editing software from Windows. Windows 10 video editing software is connected to Windows 10 Photos. So there are two ways to opening the software. The first way is to go to the search bar over here and type Video Editor. Once you're in, you'll see this new video project over here. Click on it. After that, you can start creating. The second way is to go to Photos and then hit New Video over here. As I said just now, it's both connected. So after that, hit New Video Project and you can start creating. Now that we're inside, let's get into the video. For example, I'm making a video about supercars. So the name of my video is gonna be Supercars. After keying it in, I'll click OK. And first I want to start off with adding a title card. A title card is to tell viewers what the title of your video is about. So I'm going to go to text and type in Supercars. And as you can see, there are many different styles over here: simple, love, joy, classic, adventure, quiet, and the list goes on. I've set it to joy because the animations are really good and it's really cool. After that, I'm going to hit done. For the duration, I'm going to set it to 6 seconds, and if you want the text to play out throughout the whole 6 seconds, I'm going to go back to text and drag this all the way to the end and hit done. Now I want to add pictures and videos to my storyboard, so I'm going to go to my project library over here, and as you can see, it's empty. So I'm going to go to add, and you'll see from this PC, from my collection, or from the web. From this PC is the pictures and videos that you've saved into your file. From my collection is from the photos and the videos that you've used in previous projects using Video Editor. And from the web is to find pictures and videos online from the web. So I'm going to go to from this PC, and I'm going to go to this supercars file, and I'm going to highlight all these pictures over here and hit open. Next, I'm going to go add again, and I'm going to go from this PC, go to downloads, and pick this supercars video that I've saved into my computer and click open. First, I'm going to drag all of these down over here into my storyboard, and we can arrange it later. So now that I've dragged all of it down into the storyboard, I'm going to arrange it. So first I'm going to set this LaFerrari to first, this McLaren P1 to second, this Koenigsegg Regera third, this Bugatti Chiron fourth, and the video last. So first I'm going to start off with adding text, and you can see this duration tool over here, text tool, motion, 3D effects, filters. So I'll come to these three later. For now, let's get started with the text. So I'm gonna type in Ferrari, LaFerrari, and as you can see, it's now at joy. So I'm gonna go with the poetry style and set it at the top so it doesn't block the picture of the car. And afterwards, I'm gonna hit done. For the duration, I'm gonna set it to 6 seconds, and I want the text to play out throughout the whole 6 seconds, so I'm gonna hit done. For the McLaren, I'm gonna go to text as usual and go to McLaren P1, and I'm gonna hit done. I'm gonna leave it at the top over here, and I hit done, and duration to 6 seconds. For the McLaren picture, I don't want it to play out throughout the whole thing, so I'll just leave it where it is right now and hit done. Now for the Koenigsegg, I'm gonna go to text again and type in Koenigsegg Regera. Really cool car, really fast as well. Gonna hit done. Duration, gonna set it to 6 seconds. And as you can see, there are a little bit of black lines over here that doesn't make the picture look nice, so I'm gonna use this tool over here, and right now it's at shrink to fit. I'm gonna hit remove black bars, and as you can see, those small little black lines are gone. And now let's go on to the motion tool. The motion tool is basically a tool which allows you to zoom in or zoom out, zoom to whichever part of the picture you want. So there's zoom in center, zoom out center, zoom in left, zoom in right, and many more. I'm gonna go with zoom in center. So after that, I'm gonna hit done. So when you watch the video, this is how it goes like. It's slowly zooming in, and that's it. And there's also this 3D effects tool, which allows you to add effects, pre-made effects to your picture, to your video. And there's actually a 3D library, but I'm not gonna be using that today. I'm gonna go back to effects, and I'm gonna pick this atomic motion over here. And I'm gonna set it up here so you guys can see it clearly. And as you can see, there are these black lines, blue lines over here. That shows when the atomic motion effect appears, so I want it to appear over here for this duration of time. So I'm gonna set it here and click done. So when you watch it over again, this is how it'll look like. See, it appears over here. So now let's move on to this Bugatti picture, and as you can see there, these black lines are huge and it doesn't make the picture look good. So I'm gonna go to this tool again and hit remove black bars. So I'm gonna go to text again and hit Bugatti Chiron, and right now it's at simple style, so I'm gonna go to poetry again and put it up top over here like that. After that, I'm gonna hit done. So for the text, for the duration, I'm gonna set it to 6 seconds as well, and I want the text to play out throughout the whole 6 seconds, so I'm gonna set it there and hit done. And now let's move on to the video card. So as you can see, there are a lot more tools over here like trim, split, and filters, speed. So I'm gonna teach you about trim first. So trim is to trim the video to where you want it to be. So let's say I want it over here, from this part to this part. And right now, if you want to preview it, just hit the play button, and this is how it'll look like. And it's right up to there. If you want it to be a little longer, set it up to there and let it continue playing. Just move it forward a little bit. And now it's playing up to there. And if you're satisfied with it, hit done. So right now I'm gonna go to split and teach you how to use it. Split is basically to split the video that you've trimmed into two. Let's say you want the first part of the video to play from this part and then move to the next part. So put it here and hit done. So when I play it from this part, focus on the blue line down here. After a certain amount of time, it shifts over to here. See, it shifts over here. that's how I trimmed it. That's how I split it from one video to 2 parts. And yeah, so now I'm gonna teach you about this speed tool over here. So it's the speed of the video. Let's say you want it really fast, so I've played it as fast right now, so I'm gonna play it like that. I'm gonna play it. See, it's so fast. So I'm gonna put it back to normal, and I'm gonna hit it to slow, let you see how slow it actually is. See how slow it is? Yeah, so you can change the speed of the video to whatever satisfies you. And once you're done, you can preview the video from the start if you want. And there's one more tool that I need to introduce you guys to, and that's the filter tool. So right now I'm at original, so this is classic, filter, adventure, pearl, denim. It gives the picture a different feel, a different background color. So this is black and white, and pixel, arcade, love, joy, and many different types of filters. So I'm gonna stick to original and hit done. So last, I'm gonna set the background music to, I'm gonna search for some background music. So you can pick whatever music you want through the music files that Video Editor has provided you with, so you can listen through all of them, whichever one you want. Let's say I want this Explorer one. I can set the volume to how loud or how soft I want it, so I'm just going to set it all the way to 100. I'm going to hit done. And you can also add custom audio to it. So I've added this big explosion cut, and if you want to add other audio files, just hit this button over here, add the audio file, and go add whatever audio file you've prepared. So for this audio file, I've prepared it right at the front over here, and I'm gonna hit done. So when you look back at the front, you can see big explode. You can hear the custom audio sound over here playing over the music. So it sounds pretty cool, right? So after you've previewed your video and you think it's good, you're satisfied with it, you can just go to finish video and export. And you can name whatever, you can give your video whatever name you want. So I'm just gonna stick to supercars. I'm gonna hit export, and now it's exporting.
2,000 years later.
So it's still exporting right now. So once it's done, you can preview it over here. So I've already previewed it before. I'm not gonna waste time on that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, then hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to get updated on every single video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.